The power of gratitude. In my last video, I told you that on that weekend, on that particular day, I was leaving for Balaji, Mehendipur Balaji. So it's my, I think, fifth or sixth visit to Mehendipur Balaji, and the experience is always incredible. Like, I can't express in the words when I get that darshan, and and I just feel so blessed to be able to see that, to be able to witness, experience that. But whenever I go there and when I come back from that place, from that temple, I look around, I think about my life, and I only feel gratitude. I feel gratitude that I am healthy, I have a family, I live in a good place, I I have a job, I am working on my dreams. Like, I feel grateful about everything, every single small thing about my life. I feel grateful about the relations that I have, my partner, my friends, because the people who are suffering and living there just because they want to cure themselves, that kind of suffering you can't even imagine. People, I'm sure that there are a lot of people that would say it's all drama, they are just faking it to get attention and everything. No, they are not faking it. Maybe few of them are faking it, but they are actually going through things, going through a suffering that we human brain do not understand. We can't understand because it's something that can't be diagnosed, something that can't be treated medically, right? So they are already dealing with something. People who are there to cure themselves, they are already dealing with something that can't be seen, that can't be you know medically treated, that can't be diagnosed, that like nothing, you don't see any symptoms, you just. So it gives me chills, it gives me um a sense of reflection towards my life, that it's what we have, what I have is is a blessing. We crib about small things, we crib about uh, you know when things do not go as per our plan, we crib about, complain about so many things, but you have no idea what people in this world are suffering from. So yes, life is not perfect, life is full of surprises, good surprises and bad surprises, and life will show you colors, will show you sights that you would never wish to see again. But that is life. And as long as you are alive, you are healthy, you can work on your dreams, you live with your family, you have people who love you, you have food on your plate, you are able to you know take care of yourself, you are not dealing with something that can't be seen or you know uh, can't be treated, Be grateful. Be so grateful in your life that life rewards you even more. Don't be someone who just cribs about the creation of God, what He has given to you, what He has not given to you. Don't be someone who cribs about so many things that can be achieved because you are fine, healthy, but you don't have those things yet. Don't just always be a work in progress, and then you will realize that there is no end point. You have to work as long as you are alive, as long as you are healthy, and you can walk, you can think, you can process things. So you have to be someone who actually who is actually grateful of what you have, because what we what we don't understand does not mean that thing does not exist. I'm talking about uh, what people who are getting themselves treated in Balaji, Mandipur Balaji. So you know just because we don't understand, that does not mean that think that the suffering is not there. So be humble, be polite, uh, be kind to everyone, and then you will see that your life is only and only getting better. So yeah, this is my thought every time I visit there, and I come back, and I just for at least for a week, it always inside my mind that it hurts to see people. And the hotel where we were staying, from the balcony I could see there is a mountain. There was a mountain view from the balcony. But I am a mountain girl. I love mountain. I admire the beauty. But when I saw people, I could see people having those experiences, uh, you know from my balcony, from my room's balcony. I could see them from the room. And for the very first time, I was feeling like there's so much pain in that mountain. I think it's Sat Pahad or Teen Pahad. I'm not sure what was that, but yes. So I wish that anyone who is suffering from anything, I wish you heal. I wish you move on. I wish you find light to work on your dreams, to be a better person. I wish only and only good for you with that. So yeah, so with that note, I'm going to end this video. Again, this was a very random video which I have shot today. And it came from my heart, and whatever was going on inside my mind, I've just said it all. And I wish you all a very, very good productive week ahead. And please support my channel, subscribe, like, and share this video with your loved ones. And stay tuned for more videos. Bye bye.